Hello everyone. So in this module, we will be exploring two of the tools. First is Power BI desktop application, and the other one is Power BI services. So now, guys, as we have discussed Power BI and its different products, so let's start by creating the Power BI report and a dashboard for the same business scenario we were following up from the previous few modules. So we will be using the same data was table on based on which our report will be created. So the flow will be the same. First, we will get the data in our Power BI desktop, and we will create a report. And after that, we will publish the same report to Power BI services, and then we will create a dashboard after that. So this is the entire flow for this particular lab. So, first of all, as to make our issue detail information much more precise, let's try to add few more columns in our data table. So, let's start with that. First of all, check whether we are at the correct environment or not. So, we are at the college campus trial. Now, go to the solution from here and open college campus care. Now, go to issue details table and now go to the columns. Okay, now click on plus new column and let's create first location location column, and data type must be text, and now click on save. Okay, after that we will create another column. So again click on plus new, type priority, and now data type as choice. Select choice from here, and now sync with global choice. Keep it yes. Sync this choice with type priority, and okay. Now add plus new choice, and for the display name type priority, and first label is, let's type high, low, high and medium, and then low. Okay, now click on save. Okay, so now we have one more column as priority. Okay, let's go down. And now click on save. Okay, so let's add these two columns into the form. So for that, just select forms from objects pane, like issue details table, and when you open this drop down, you can see this forms option, just like we have done in previous modules. So select forms from here, open the information main form, and okay, let's wait it to get open. Okay, now let's add priority from here and also location. So okay, we have added location and priority. Let's uh, drag our this location field here after description. Okay, that's perfect. Now save, click save and publish. Okay, wait for it to get saved, and now click on back button and again go back. open this college campus care solution. And now what we will do, we will add some data, sample data into our application. So for that, let's play this college campus admin model driven app. Hit on play. And okay, so this is the issues we had in our table. Let's create more issues. And before that, what we will do, we will basically update some issues already required in the table. Let's edit that because we have added a location and priority column. So let's open this first, and here's the location type, lab campus issue. Okay, so we can type ground floor and click on save. Go back. Similarly, change the, okay, I think I have not added the, I have already only added the location. And scroll down and let's add priority. So let's select high. Okay, manager, just select the name, my name. Let me select this one. Okay, now I think every detail is completely filled here. Now click on save, go back, and now select this food, and here type the location as canteen. And okay, and what else? We need to add priority, so we can give this priority as medium. Now click on save, and now go back. Similarly, we will add this for lab location. We can give first floor, and let's select the priority. We can say low, and now click on save, go back, and go to the library. And location, let's give second floor, and let's select priority as medium. Click on save. Okay, now go back again. Wait, let me check. I think manager column is not also not selected for this one. Select this one and again click on save. And now go back. I have one more record for library. Location I will give as second floor. And for the manager column, I will select my name. Okay, now for the priority, this one I will select as high. Now hit on save. And now go back. Go select this transportation. For the location type, we can select bus field or bus stop. And for the manager, I will select the name, my name. And for, let's scroll down. For the priority, I will add high. And now click on save. Now go back and let's add two more new records. So the name I will give as, okay, classroom, or let's say broken door. And issue ID, let's give any random number. For the description, let's type broken door near classroom. And for the location, I will give as fourth floor near classroom. Near, let's give arts classroom. And tentative cost, let's give any random cost. For the manager, select the name. and let's scroll down, and for the priority let's give it high. Now hit on save. Okay, now go back and let's add another record. Let's say plus new, and let's give it as broken window, and issue ID again any random number, description broken window in chemistry lab, and location, let's give first floor near uh, near canteen or near, we can give any location, first floor near, let's say uh, principal office. Tentative cost, let's give any random cost for the manager. Let me select my name and scroll down, and for the priority I will select medium. Okay, now let's hit on save. Now go back. So we have successfully added some record here. Now what we will do, we will basically uh, we can now proceed further for the next step. So for that we will open Power BI desktop application. So for that, let me move to my screen, and let me minimize it from here, and let's click on Power BI. So whenever we try to open Power BI, so sometimes what happens, basically desktop application, so it might take few minutes. So please have some patience, and do not click multiple times, otherwise so many instances will open. So here in get started, so as you can see it has already loaded my uh, login details, but sometimes so basically sometimes it will ask you to sign in, but it's totally fine. If you do not want to sign in right now, you can do it later, and in some case like just in my case, uh, it might take your account details automatically, so that is also fine. Okay, now let's proceed with our first step, where we will be pulling in the data. So as I have mentioned that we will be connect to the Dataverse table only, but it is not always compulsory to just connect with Dataverse data. uh, we have options of connecting through another, through other external data sources, whether it's premises or it's on cloud. So just close this one from here, and for loading the data set, so this is basically the UI of Power BI desktop application. Here you can see the option like get data, Excel workbook, one lake data hub, SQL server. So and here you can see the transform data option. So let me explain you more about it. So on the right hand side you can see this filters option. So when you open this arrow, so you can see options like add data fields here. You can filter all the pages from here. Visualization, you can select any visualization from here, whether it's a pie chart, donut chart, or a funnel chart. And you can also add AI part in this. And here in the data field you can see the data set you will load. The all the columns will be so on the right left, basically left hand side you can see this report view. So this is basically, this white field is known as canvas, like I have explained in theoretical part. And here you can this is the report view, and when you click on this will be the table view, and this is the model view. So as we all are aware about all the table view, model view, and report view, so let's get started. So when as we are connecting to the database tables, for that I will click on get data, and I will select this database option from here. and let so here I will choose the environment at which I am right now. So I will select this college campus trial, and let's click on this arrow so it will open all the tables available in that particular environment. So let's scroll down and look for issue details table. Okay, so it must be mm, camps. Okay, yeah, here you can see CAM issue details. So click on that, and okay, preview is evaluating. So okay, now whenever we try to choose any table, we get two options: load data and transform data. So we can either load data first and then transform, or we can first transform data in Power Query Editor and then load it. So that's depend on the type and size of the data or anomalies present in the data set. So now we can working on right now we are working on small data, so that's why I am loading the data directly. So let's load it from here. So now this window has appeared, like you can either choose import, or either you can choose direct query. So import in Power BI loads data into its internal model. It's providing faster analysis, while direct query maintains a live connection to the source database for real-time access to large data set. So let's select import query and click on OK. So we have selected the import query, and I have told you the difference. Now when you see this on right hand side, now in the data field, you can when you click on this arrow, so the fields available in our data table, so every column will be visible here. So now let's do some editing part first here. So right now, so as I have explained, so this white part we call it as canvas. So for changing the background color, either we can add some image, or we can add any colors of background in this canvas. So for that, what we will do, first we will select this format your report page option, and when you click on that, you will see the page information setting, canvas setting, canvas background, wallpaper. So all settings will be available here. So for that, first let's click on canvas background and open this. And here you can see the color is right now is white. So let's select the color of our choice. Let's select blue from here. And here you can see the when you selected blue, so still it is showing as white. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go to the transparency, and let's change the transparency, decrease the value, and let's decrease it to 26%. Okay, now click on this canvas again. Now let's add one by one visualization visual option here. So let's add first of all one text box. Okay, so for that, what we need to go to insert, and here you can see the option of text box. Click on this, and let's give this report as college issue details report, or let's give issue details report. I think that would be more relatable. And select everything from here, change the font size. Let's select 44, or let's select 36. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, and here, as you can see, right now this text box is already selected because we are doing some changing here. So in this format option, you can see this effect. So when you select this title right now, it is off, and because we are already typing and changing the font of the title from here. So what we can do, let's change the effect or background color for this. So when you click on effect, you will find the background color and transparency option for this text box. So let's select any color from here, and let's choose, yeah, this color would be fine. Also, I would also like to apply shadow option here. So for that, I will click on on this toggle button and open this shadow option from here. And yeah, I think it's fine from me. And yeah, okay, that's it for this text box. Click on the canvas and you can basically do the resizing, and whatever size you want to choose for this text box, you can simply change it from here. Also, you can increase the size from here. Let's select the inside text and hit on bold. Yes, I think it's fine. Now what else we can do? We can add okay, before we move forward, let's rename some values from here. Okay, so let's change the status reason column, uh, and let's rename the column as first. Okay, so here it is, status reason. When you as you can see, these three dots here. So when you hover here, you will see this more option, and when you click on this, you will find this rename option from here. So click on the rename, and let's change the name of status reason to, okay, let me again select this, and from here and at the top, I will change the name as status status code, or I think code status would be fine. Code status. Okay. Okay, let me check why it has not worked. Double click on this. Now type code status. Yes. And click outside. Yes. Now name has changed to code status. And here you can see status code name, and for this I will rename this column as status reason. Okay, now click outside. So the now name has changed to status reason. Also, I want to change the name of this name column. So double click, or you can simply select this three dots more option, and I will rename this as issue name. I think that's fine. I will click outside, and now the name changed to issue name. Okay, now we can proceed further. So let's create okay, let's add one slicer from here. This is the slicer. Click on that, and in the slicer value, I want to have, let's have status reason. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Okay, now I want to change the setting for this slicer. So for that, the slicer is already selected, and I will again go to format your visual. So from here, I will change the setting for my slicer visual. So here you can see visual setting and general setting. So I want to change the background color of the slicer. So for that I will select this general tab, and here you can see the effect option. When you open this right now, you can see the color is white, and I will select the color similar like this I have selected for this. It's no, this color is not good. Let's select gray. That would look good. Yeah, that's fine. Also, for right now you can see the title. So hit on this toggle button, change it to on, and open this title option from here. So right now we have not given any title because the column name is already clearly visual here. Now let's off this, go to the visual setting, and here you can see slicer setting. Open this one, and right now we can see the vertical list. So we can change either this list to vertical, drop down, or tile. So let's select drop down option from here. Okay, now it's fine. Or let's have a vertical list. It will be more uh, good, like to see all the options. Yeah. Okay, let's select change the values from here. So right now everything is in black color. The size is 12. Okay, we can okay, now everything is bold. That's fine. And slicer header right now it is on. So let's change the slider as bold. Also, let's increase the size for this header text, and yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I think it is fine. And okay, now come back to the canvas and drag this visual here in the top. Okay, now let's add some more visuals from here. Let's select first this line chart. Okay, now for this line chart, we require some values. So for the x-axis, what we can do, we can have the issue details. Let's see, issue detail. So we have changed the name for issue details. We have give as issue name, right? So let's select that issue name from here, and let's drag this name value to x-axis. And for the y-axis, we can have the tentative cost. So let's type here tentative cost, select this one, and drop here in y-axis. So right now we have sum of tentative cost. Let's select average. So when you click on this drop down, this window will open. From here you can select average, minimum, maximum, everything. So I will select average. Yeah, that's fine for me. Now I want to have every visual in the same background color. So for that, what I will do, I will select this status region from here. And what I will do, okay, let's unselect this. Yeah, and I will select this format painter, and now I will click on this visual. So now you can see that my line chart also have the same background as this slicer. Okay, now we can adjust the size. Okay, let's do some more editing for this line chart. So let's add some title, and let's change the field color. So when you click on format your visual, so access is on. So right now color is I think gray. Let's select black from here. Okay, and let's select blue. That's fine. Now close this x-axis, go to y-axis, and here go to the values. From here you can change the color. Let's select black and bold. Yes, now all the values are clearly visible. Now give our title. So for that, just go to the general, select this title as on and click here, and you can see uh, average of tentative cost by name. So we will simply remove this off from here. Average tentative cost by issue name, and select this middle one from here. Keep it bold, and let's increase the size to 16 for the title. Yes, that's fine. Let's close this one. Again, go to the visuals and values for, I think we have selected the black color, bold. Now, okay. Now you can see this grid line option. Open this one, and right now grid lines are clearly visible. So let's select this off for now. Yeah, close this one, and okay, I think everything is off. Okay, and go above, and let's open this x-axis again, and values, let's increase the size. Okay, fine. For the title, we have title of, let's keep it off. Yes, and similar like for the y-axis, I think title is off, keep it uh, so it was on, let's keep it on, off, and so we have average tentative cost by issue name. So this is the issue names and this is the average tentative cost. I think it is fine. And what else we can do? First, decrease the size. Okay. Let's add some more. First, click on this canvas and let's add some card values. So for that, add some cards. And here, what we can have issue name. So for that, let's select this field as issue name and select this one. So okay, I want issue name count. So click on this and go to the count. So total 10 issues we have, right? Select this card from here and keep it here at the top. And now select this visual from here and click on Format Painter, and now hit on this visual. Okay, now let's change some setting for this from here. So here you can see this call out value. So right now, uh, okay, it is at 45. Okay, when we go to the category level, so let's have this in black color and also bold. Yes, count of issue name. That's fine, I think. Okay, let's keep it a bit small. Okay. Okay, let's add more visuals. So first of all, let's add a donut. Uh, Sorry, this is the pie chart. So pie chart first from here, and for the pie chart, what we can have, we can do count of issue ID by location. So let's select issue ID. So let's select this one, and let's have location for the details field. So let's select location from here. Yes, so count of issue ID by location. I think that's perfect. Select this visual from here. Click on Format Painter and hit on this. So everything got arranged automatically, and I think that's fine. Okay. Now let's another visual. Let's have a donut chart, and for the donut chart, we can have issue ID by priority. So first drag this and now select issue ID first. And what else we can have? We can have priority, right? So let's select this priority from here. And similar like this, select this one, this visual from here, click on format painter and hit on donut chart. So these values are set automatically according to our need, or the previous visual. And what else we can have? Let's add one table. So for that, in the visual, over here you can see this table option. Click on that, and in this table field, we can add. Let's add issue ID first. Okay, not the count. Click on this drop down, and from here you can just select don't summarize. So here all the issue IDs. And what else we can have? We can have location. Okay, we can have manager. Let's select manager field from here. Select this one. And okay, as you can see in last two, there is no uh, location. Okay, that's not, that's fine for now. And we can add a status reason column. So from here, let's state status reason. Now let's drag this table, and let's keep the format same for this table also. So hit on this table, again select this one, click on format painter and hit on this table visual. Yeah, I think it's in the same format. Okay, keep this short. That's fine, I think. Okay, let's keep this. Okay, let's add one Q&A. So when you hover here, you can see this Q&A option. Click on that. So we have one visual as Q&A. Okay, so we have added the one pie chart, we have added one donut chart, we have added one line chart, we have added one table, and we have also added one Q&A. So keep this visual here, and let's arrange this canvas. What we can do, we can add one more card. Sorry. Let's select card from here. And okay, one more thing to remember. So, while you're working on any visual, and when you finish the editing part and you want to select another visual, so don't directly click on the visual. First, always click on blank canvas, and after once your visual get deselected, you can add a new one. So, for now, just select this one card from here, and let's add priority. So in this card, I am showing the priority. Again, I don't want to summarize it. I can add priority as count of priorities. Or let's see the first option, high. Okay. Okay. Don't add the priority. Let's, okay, deselect this one and select this. No. Okay. What else we can do? We can select the status reason. So select this one, status reason, and keep this drop down and count. Okay, I think it will not look good. So just remove this one. And let's select arrange this. Okay, keep this Q&A here, and let's drag this table here. Mm, okay, and what we can do, we can simply adjust the size of these visuals. Okay, yeah, I think it is fine. Keep this card here, and let's drag this tight text box till here. Let's select this one and keep it, and keep this text in the middle. Okay, now deselect everything from here otherwise. Okay, just click on any blank part. So I think it will get deselect right now. Yeah. Okay, so fine, we have successfully created one report in Power BI desktop application. And now what else we need to do? We need to publish this report in Power BI services. So uh, like so we have created and so we have created one report and published it. Let's publish this report into Power BI. Now next segment of Power BI, in which we will exploring our next interface related to Power BI, which is Power BI services, and also we will try to create a dashboard from the report. Okay, so first of all, before publish the report, we need to hit click save the report. So click on save, and I will save this report as issue details report, and now hit on save. Now hit on publish, and now in my workspace we will publish the report. Select this my workspace from here, and now wait for it to get published. Wait for it. So you can see the success message. Just click on got it. Let's open the browser and type power sorry app dot powerbi.com. Go to the home page. So this is the home page of services platform for Power BI. Of Power BI, where we can create dashboards and manage all Power BI resources. Uh, Basically, on a cloud platform, and also we can share our Power BI resources to anyone and everyone inside or outside the organization. So here you can see we have already published our report, and now we will go to my workspace as we have published the report in my workspace. Okay, so for in the left hand side you can see the option of my workspace, so just click on that, and now you can see the name we have given our dashboard, our report as issue details report. Okay, so basically, whenever we will publish any report in our from our Power BI desktop, so automatically its associated data set will also get published in Power BI services. So here you can see the semantic model. So this semantic model basically is the data set, and here is the report we have published. So let's open this one. Okay, now we will create one dashboard. So for that, let's select So whatever visual you want to get in your dashboard, so you can simply hover any visual and you can see the option as pin visual, right? So also when you click on more option, here you will see option like you can share this one, you can add a comment, you can export the data, you can show as a table. So everything options are available here. So let's pin this visual right now. Okay, now I want to create a new dashboard. Let's give this dashboard a name as Campus Care Dashboard and pin this one. Okay, so we have two options to go to that dashboard. So either we can go from this notification we just got, or like when you hit on this and you can see this pin to dashboard. So the visualization has been pinned to your dashboard. You can now basically explore the dashboard from here, or we can do what as we can do we can go to my workspace option. In the left hand side you can see this option. So when you click on that, you will see the issue dashboard, which right now just we have created is now uh, you can easily see this option here. So when you click on that, so now your dashboard is simply open. Also, let's go back to the issue details report which we have published, and from here you can also check basically the activity we want. So we will also check the interactivity between all the visuals. So for that, let's go to broken window. So you can see broken window, location first floor near principal office. The manager and the status reason is also showing here. When I select the medium priority, so you can see the medium priority of issues. So here you can see location, you can see the manager, status reason, issue ID. When I go to the canteen, so the issue reported in canteen is now also I can see from here. Right, I can see that in canteen only one issue. If I select this in progress, so right now there is no issue which is in progress. If I go to the in new, so you can see one new issue is like canteen, which happened in canteen. If I go to assign, so here is one issue which is assigned right now. And if I go to in progress, so there is no in progress. If I go to new, so simply you can see whenever I am changing my values from here, I am get like the interactivity between all the visuals are clearly visible from here. So just deselect this canteen, and now let's select inactive. So right now one issue which is inactive, uh, the location is not available here because we have not edited the location, that particular issue ID. And let's go to in progress. So this bus stop location, one issue uh, which is from transportation, and it is right now in progress. If we go to assign, so two issues are assigned, basically canteen, and here you can see the priority, second floor and canteen. So these two issues are right now assigned. Okay, so this was all about the Power BI and Power BI services. Okay, also let's change this one from here and let's ask one question. So here it is like basically suggesting some questions. So how many managers are there? Compare status and exchange rate. So we can also click on show all suggestion. So compare issue ID and tentative cost. Let's click on that. Let's see what happens. So you can see this 10 count of issue ID, sum of tentative cost, right? And what else we can do? We can also see the compare status and exchange, right? So when you click on that, it will show the sum of status 1 and sum of exchange is 9.00. Also, so whatever question you want to ask in this question Q&A, you can simply type. So let's type how many issues are assigned. So you can see this, it is saying that two issues are assigned. Let's check, click on assign. So yes, two issues are assigned. So that's it in this module.